In most of the bodies in the solar system with a visible solid surface, you can see a large number of craters. On Earth, we see very few because geological processes such as weathering and erosion soon destroy the obvious evidence. There is strong evidence of a period of intense cratering in the solar system that ended about 3.9 billion years ago. Since that time, cratering appears to have continued at a much slower and fairly uniform rate. Comets and asteroids cause the craters. Most asteroids follow simple circular orbits between the planets Mars and Jupiter, but all of these asteroids are perturbed, occasionally by each other and more regularly and dramatically by Jupiter. As a result, some find themselves in orbits that cross that of Mars or even Earth. Comets, on the other hand, follow highly elongated orbits that often come close to Earth or other major bodies to begin with. The Earth's atmosphere protects us from the multitude of small debris the size of grains of sand or pebbles, thousands of which pelt our planet every day. The meteors in our night sky are visible evidence of the small debris burning up high in the atmosphere. An impact by an asteroid larger than 1 to 2 kilometers could degrade the global climate, leading to a widespread crop failure and loss of life. Such global environmental catastrophes, which place the entire population of the Earth at risk, are estimated to take place several times per million years on average. A still larger impact by an object larger than about 5 kilometers is damaging enough to cause mass extinction. In addition, there are many comets in the 1 to 10 kilometer class, 15 of them in short period orbits that pass inside the Earth's orbit, and an unknown number of long period comets. Virtually any short period comet among the 100 or so not currently coming near the Earth could become dangerous after a close passage by Jupiter. However, NASA knows of no asteroid or comet currently on a collision course with Earth, so the probability of a major collision is quite small. As far as we know, no large object is likely to strike the Earth anytime in the next several hundred years.